Give Bez a blowjob.
Oh no, I'm gonna hit the wood, aren't I? Yeah.
I just got overlooked.
No! I did it as well, Ethan.
I didn't let me bounce, you prick.
Oh, okay, cool.
What the fuck? Oh my god. I've made it interesting.
JJ's done race mode, bro.
Man's done.
I did a 3. I did a 3. Josh, if you do a 3,
I
we're
did a
equal
4.
men.
What was that?
Someone should make a compilation of all the weird noises.
Yeah, it already exists. It came out today.
Yeah,
yesterday.
Just Josh's weird noises, bro. Over.
Gang, gang, gang. Squad, squad, squad.
I'm yelling, yeah, yeah. 10 of you, but 1 of me. Yeah, yeah. I'm a different kind of G. I'm a different kind of G. I'm a different.
Oh fuck! I
think I
got
got
a
it.
BM of the century.
Mate,
no,
Simon
no,
actually
no,
just came, like, fully.
It was just a little bit of a voice crack.
Oh!
It wasn't
your
like that at
mum.
all.
Oh!
What the fuck?
Hey!
Please.
Oh, look at this.
I don't want, what was I making at this point? My throat hurts.
Let's go. Ooh.
Yeah, I've landed it.
What? Why did I just drop off?
Woo! Why do I not
dead.
get the checkpoint? All right.
It was sick. It went wrong.
I know how to do it.
Ooh.
Really?
If I could respawn.
Really?
No, didn't make that
Okay,
one.
that's fine, that's fine,
Oh,
that's fine,
jeez.
that's
This race turned us all into little girls. It's weird.
Into little woo girls just.
Ooh.
Oh, no, not again. Oh,
no,
the
it's
It
same
also turned us into
bench.
Tekken. I think it turned Vic into Tekken characters.
Because he's Asian.
Oh my god. I can't
Oh,
do
the
this.
shortcut is
Are
real,
you
Josh.
saying that Chris Asian?
Nah, bruv.
No, bruv.
Nah, bro.
I am Goku.
Oh, bye.
What is this for?
You're right.
No!
Oh come on, Ramsey, you've got that.
That's mine! Oh. These noises aren't healthy.
Toby does in his spare time. Well, because he's always ghosting.
Wait, that does sound like that sounds like sucking dick.
That was weird. That was weird.
Wait, how do you know what sucking dick sounds like?
Listen to you every night.
Oh!
Bang!
Why are you listening to it?
Bang.
He's a loud sucker.
Wow.
He's like Henry Hoover.
Man gives the sloppy blowjob.
Fuck's sake, Vic.
He calls them the sloppy Giuseppes.
Alright.
Okay.
It's the first place a problem.
Oh shit.
First
It really is.
That was a weird laugh for me.
First place really is an issue.
It was weirder the second time. No
Josh, that was a lot more odd. Are you ready? What is that? It's a mad skip. It's not a blue. It's not a blue. I told you, it's the noise. You do and it works. See?
You pretend you're sucking on a dick.
Or some titties. Yes! I got
That
one!
was good. That was really
We
good.
got an inform. There you go. It's your club. Josh,
I don't feel so bad anymore.
Yeah, you're a trooper, bro. Don't worry. Oh my god. That noise was alright.
that
I'm
was
sorry. Yeah.
There we go.
Ooh, you got me.
Okay, wait, composure.
I got.
Small snappy. Snappy. I can't see the polish.
Josh, are you okay? I'm starting to wonder.
Have you not heard of It's been Snappy in this kleine crocodile?
No, I can't say I have,
Right,
mate.
Simon, you've heard of Snappy, right?
Snappy. Snappy.
Point one challenge trivia pursuit with people.
Hey guys, and welcome to Raw PC with the Boo. Welcome to that game. Oh god! What the flibbity flubbity what?
If
You can do this. Anything can happen.
anything can happen.
No, that sounds like a dying seal.
And not on this.
Oh, Josh!
Oh my god, I'm
What?
nearly in.
What happened to Josh?
I thought
Did I do a fake call?
I nearly in.
Did anyone see what happened to me?
Yeah, you landed on me.
Yeah.
Oh.
There's this window that involves me running off the edge, but
So for everyone watching, I haven't failed 500 times in a row. I never.
I'm never ever touching a stinger again. This thing's a piece of.
Just profit.
Talk to Ben, step 2, profit.
That one shot. You profit.
One shot a day keeps the evil
You
away.
want some redemption? You want to really quickly do Forest?
What I'm just saying is that I got 14. I'm a gangster.
All I'm saying, Josh, is you
Got
bounced
14
out-
and came second.
No, you bounced me out of one hole. You bounced me out of one hole. Stop talking. I'm sassy, you bitch. You bounced me out of one, and then you profit off of me. You're a user. You're a stealer.
Baby, there's a shark in the water.